A lot of you guys felt like the unhappy customer story I told you was a little bit inconclusive. So let's just call this part 2. So where we left off was there was a customer that was unhappy with her cake because the bikini on the cake was not saggy looking enough. So she was sitting on the front steps crying. I was inside still working on other cakes, waiting for my boss to come and rectify the situation because rightfully so, I could not make final say decisions on things like this. As I was working on other custom cakes for that day, the customer comes in and all of a sudden she jumps behind the counter and starts pulling out all the fondant that I'm working with on another cake and puts it on her cake, trying to show me that the bikini needs to be made saggier. Well, luckily before I could say anything, my boss shows up and she intercepts and tells the customer to go back behind the counter. She actually ended up refunding the customer entirely for the cake, and she also gave her free cupcakes as well. At this point, I could not be more grateful that I was working for somebody else, as I really did not want to have to make any tough decisions like that.